Hey everyone, this is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in this particular lecture I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT. So we are going to start with very simple examples that we are going to ask ChatGPT. There are a wide variety of things you can do with ChatGPT, and for some of the areas it works better than Google, but there is a slight chance of getting wrong information through ChatGPT. So you have to make sure and please verify the information and the answers that are given by ChatGPT, because this particular software is fairly new and it does have some glitches, and so be mindful of using ChatGPT. So the first thing is we are going to ask a simple question. What is computer? Assume you are talking to a 5-year-old. So one of the benefit of ChatGPT is it can give answers in a very layman's term. It can explain things in a very simple and easy to understand manner. So here, as you can see, I have asked a simple question, and when I click on this icon here, it is going to give me a response. So as you can see here, this is the response that came back from ChatGPT. One of the other cool things you can ask ChatGPT is, hey, give me some birthday celebration ideas or birthday party ideas. So here I can ask another question, give me some birthday party ideas. So since when the first question you asked was related to a 5-year-old, it assumed that you're talking about a children's birthday party, and accordingly it has given you a response. Now, if you would have asked for an adult birthday party, then the response would be slightly different. So another important point with ChatGPT is it will remember your previous conversation within this particular thread. So the first question you asked the ChatGPT was about computers, and assuming it was you're talking to a child, and then the next question you asked was a birthday party ideas. Now, since you asked the previous question related assuming a child, then accordingly it assumed that you're talking about a child birthday party, and then the answer is according to that. You can also ask a more specific question, okay, birthday party ideas for a 30-year-old woman. So now you have asked a different question, so then the answer is according to that. It's going to be a spa party, a wine tasting party, if you can see here. So it has given you the results in that perspective. So it'll also understand who he is talking to, or ChatGPT, and accordingly it'll give you the answers. Similarly, you can also ask ChatGPT for recipes. You can give you some recipes. You can also provide vegetarian recipes, including these things. So you can also ask some specific recipe questions as well. So let's say we ask, okay, what is a Mediterranean? Even though the spelling is wrong, it'll understand what we're talking about. Now, one of the things that I really not big fan of ChatGPT is the answers are pretty verbose. Like, it'll give you a long text that you have to read. I wish the default answer should be like a small or one paragraph rather than a bunch of paragraphs to go through it. Now, that is what we have asked. Now, the similar kind of questions you can ask ChatGPT. I will recommend you to start using it and start playing around with it. And in the next videos, we are going to explore few more functionalities, and I'll walk you through the complete UI that is available on your screen. So we'll talk about that, and thank you so much.